Hello everyone, today we're diving into the familiar yet unique HKTIG200E welding machine. We call the HKTIG200E both familiar and unique because it's the latest version of the well-known HKTIG200E that has been a staple in the market for years. Upgraded in both appearance and functionality, the HKTIG200E is part of the premium E series from Hongqi, featuring a striking red color and a modern design. The front panel is intuitively laid out with a gauge, dial, and switch for easy operation. The HKTIG200E offers two welding functions, TIG and stick. It can perform TIG welding with rods ranging from 1.6 to 2.6 millimeters and stick welding with rods from 2.6 to 4.0 millimeters, especially excelling in continuous use with 3.2 millimeter rods. Moreover, the machine is equipped with a high-frequency ignition system, making it extremely helpful for spot welding and working with thin materials. This machine is ideal for welders who need to process or repair thin materials or pipes made from steel, stainless steel, or other metals. When you purchase this machine, you will receive a complete set of high-quality accessories, including a TIG welding torch, a 300A welding clamp with a 3-meter cable, a 300-amp grounding clamp with a 2-meter cable, a gas gauge. Without further ado, let's take a look at the impressive welds produced by the HKTIG200E. If you have any questions or need more information about the HKTIG200E digital welding machine, please leave a comment below or contact us at +84 287 3036 536 or export@hongqi.vn for prompt assistance. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button below so you won't miss any videos from Hongqi. For now, goodbye and see you next time.